On router 2, we can monitor the traffic coming into our DHCP service and the traffic being sent out from our DHCP service. On router 2, we can monitor the traffic passing our relay. We will use the diagrams over here to illustrate where we are monitoring. Let us bring up the terminal to router 1. If we run the bindings command here on router 1, we will get a list of the MAC addresses that have been assigned IP addresses. If we run the statistics command, we get an indication of the DHCP requests and statistics of the other DHCP traffic coming into and going out of the router 1 DHCP service at the application layer. By monitoring all packets coming in to the UDP port 67 and leaving the UDP port 67, which is the port that our DHCP service is using, we will see all traffic coming into and going out of our DHCP service. The command is run monitor traffic on the interface G003, and we want packages matching UDP port 67, both ingoing and outgoing. We remember that it is physical port G003, so let us roll the dice. And right now we don't see any activity. Let us bring up workstation PC3 to spawn some activity. I'm sorry for the overlapping windows here, but I hope you can follow. I clicked the My DHCP connection profile, and we got a DHCP request, and we got a DHCP reply. We recognize our MAC address from PC3 here. And we see here by releasing our IP address, a request was sent to our DHCP service. The request came straight from PC3 over to router 1 IP address. Let us now renew our IP address. And we see that we were offered the same IP address again. Over on PC3, the response seems to come from 12.1, which is our relay station. Actually, it was relayed from our router 1 DHCP service. Please go online and check why we have this bytes missing message. We see that up here also, that the reply is being sent from 10.10.10.11, which is our router 1 DHCP service, and it is being sent to our relay over on 192.168.12.1 address. Let us bring up router 2, our DHCP relay router. Router 2 DHCP service is not doing any DHCP, it's only relaying, so all requests, discover, etc., they are sent over to the router 1 DHCP service, so we don't see any of that activity here on router 2. Here on router 2, we can also monitor the DHCP traffic going to and coming out of the DHCP service over on router 1. We remember that the net 1 is on G003 on the router 2. We'll be monitoring UDP port 67, as all packages will have either their destination or their source port as being 67. This match expression will give us all packages. Let us generate some traffic. I'll renew in the graphical user interface over on PC3. My DHCP. Let us release the IP Let us renew the IP. The DHCP discover ran for a number of times, but finally there was an offer and acknowledge, and we have got an IP address on our PC3. In this way, we can get a lot of information about how our DHCP relay and our DHCP server service they are running. This can in many cases be used to help locate what the origin of a possible problem could be.